Hi everyone, it's Kay here. Thank you very much for joining me today. It's 12 at night. I can't sleep, so I'm down here and I thought I'd just do a quick video really because I wanted to do a bit of sorting out. It's so hot here in Adelaide. 42 degrees centigrade today. I think it's way over 100 whatever it is in Fahrenheit. It was 36 yesterday, it's going to be 38 tomorrow, it's going to be high 30s all week, so it's going to be very uncomfortable. Anyway, I thought I'd show you a flip through of this journal that I'd finished and what I'm going to do next. So this is a cover I made with the Bejeweled journals, and I redid the spine. It's an old Reader's Digest cover, so I've turned it into a Moon Fairy journal, and blues and different. This is a digital from, I want to say pen and ink, but I think it might be pen and ink, something like that anyway. So I'll have to have a look, and I'll put the link below if you're interested. Oh, I can't do it up now. Oh, wait, come on down. No, what have I done? Oh, so you've seen one of these before. It'll flip up with lots of papers. It's computer paper, that one. Some other things in there. Some writing. The cover is just blue underneath. Lots of blues. I still want to do a blue journal, but in non-digital, but I had this digital, so I need to use up some of my digitals. So just trim to size, papers to match, things to use. This was a moustache, I just used it up. Graph paper. Oh, sorry, I should have gone back to that because that's a die cut. One tag, large tag, card, second-hand card, middle of that signature. There's 3 signatures. Sorry, I feel a bit croaky here. I haven't backed any of these because sometimes my backing makes them a bit too bulky, but yeah, whoever gets it will might want to back it themselves. So I didn't do a lot of backing in anything really. This is an envelope from a second-hand shop, and I just decorated it with some of the elements from the kit. This is a die cut as well. That one there. It's come off, of course it has. Have to fix that. Turned it into a little tuck spot just like that. Might leave that out to remind me to fix that up a little bit. So it's pretty plain, really. No, not a lot of decoration. This is just a pull out. That I made from a paper from the digital. There's the paper behind me, and I clipped it in, and I used some fibres that I got from Topology. And this is another large journal tag, and I just clipped it on with one of these clips that I've had them for ages and I need to use them, so I just got it in there to hold it in place. Lots of neutral pages as well. This is just another one of those ones. I was using a moth for creating a little tuck spot here. Lovely, isn't it? I think it's lovely anyway. The image is really lovely. Another one of those die cuts from Uniquely Creative that I had before, that one that broke. So I just used die cutter out of a rusty paper pad that I've got. I've got some lace on some of the edges, but not all of the edges. I'll just come undone. Because sometimes when it's hot here, you glue them down and it doesn't stay glued down because of the heat. And it's been really hot. I'm filming this on the same night that I've had a cousin from Wales and his wife came to visit us, and they made a bit of a mistake with their booking when they were coming, so they've only came in last night, stayed today, going to Melbourne tomorrow afternoon. So he said it was my fault, I made a big mistake, so that's another interesting thing to look at. There. And got a bag full of little things in there. All those fibres from Topology. So I've wrapped this dragonfly around the page because it's such a big one for decoration. Another card from my stash. This is a double pocket here. Not double pocket, it's just a pocket with some things in there, and this lifts out, comes off as well. It's over the page envelopes like I like to do, and there's something inside the envelope as well. So, oh, there's that word "so" again, isn't it? I just love the colours of this. It's really, really pretty, I think. There's a wraparound pocket that I made. Just 4 pages to write on, another page, or put your photographs or your mementos or really anything really. Oh no, come on down. Oh no, come on down, it's stuck. Gotta fix that as well. Darn. Obviously the glue wasn't dry, so I had to fix that. So I put something there to fix that with. Do that there. Or I could just use this one of these, just put it up. So lots of journaling cards and a big tag again. I did actually back that one because I created a little door from behind the door. Fun. I think it's fun. And another one of those flip out things that I like to do with envelopes. Just using one envelope today. And so that's there. And that's that journal, because a few things I've got to fix. And then I made the flippy floppy something new covers and copying from Natasa treasure books, and so I'm going to do some journals with that. So I'll show you what I've got so far for those. For this gold one, I've had this cover that I made for that beginning of the series. I was going to do journal covers, and this was a file folder one, but I'm decided not to do that anymore. And then I thought that for the cover, I tried all sorts of different fabrics, and this is the only one I thought would go all right, because it goes around. Oops. Goes around, and then you can't, you know, it just covers up a lot of the, yeah, see, it goes, and that will be folded up like that, so you've only got a little bit showing. It's the only one I thought went well, because then I underlined about this one as well, because that's sort of the same sort of tones, but then I just thought, oh no, it's actually a bit of the wrong colour. And then I underlined about using this as well. That still might be an option, but I'm leaning towards the blue one for that one. So I'm still not happy with that particular material. It's not my favourite kind of material, but I think it goes the best. It highlights all the other colours underneath it, on top of that, in the floppy thing. You know, the one I showed before. Come on. on the front cover. And then I've got these papers for the inside. I made the flippy floppy thing out of these papers I've got left over, so I can use them for tags and other things, and pockets. And here are some papers I thought might go. Where is it? So you can see. There's the cover. So I just thought these papers would go really with the inside for the signatures. Just all of these things, and I'm not too sure whether I'll keep these babushka dolls in there or not. It was from a collection called Hidden Treasures. And that side is a bit dark, so I don't really know about that page, so I'll have to see if I can find anything else in my stash. I've got oodles of paper to find, so I'm sure I can find something. So there was that one. And for the blue one, I'm going to use this album that you will see in a birthday op-shop haul that I did, and I'm going to just put the cover on there like that, and I'm going to use this one's actually more yellow in this light than I thought, because it looked alright in there when I tried it in a different light. I thought it looked alright, but I don't know now. I'll just probably not use that one after all. So I have to find something else. Or I thought we could use this top I bought a while ago. I showed it in an older video of mine that I got from a second-hand shop. It's a top. You see, that goes really nicely too. See? Can't fold it down underneath. So I thought that went really nice as well. So this would probably work for both of them if I've got enough of it. Because I've actually cut some of it off, so I have to have a look. Anyway, so the papers that I thought would go with that. Papers left over from the cover itself. And this is scrapbooking paper. This one here, this is not a ledger paper. I've actually got a ledger paper, so I might use it for the other one as well. And there's that page. And this page, I'm still not sure about this one with the yellows on it. It's got all that on the inside, which is a bit of a shame really that I couldn't. So I don't know whether I'll use that one at all really. And then there's this one. And this one, which is really nice as well. So I'm still umming and ahhing about that one. We'll see. And I'm going to leave the pencil attached because it came with the other old cover. So you leave that in there. And then ages ago, I made this cover because I had something left over. I can't remember. It needs fixing up as well. So I made that cover for a vintage vibe, and I wanted to. These are some of the papers that I thought would match this one here. So I've just got to fix this up. And obviously there's going to be some sort of blue inside, but I can't remember what now. I can't remember where I made it from. That's terrible. Anyway, so these are the things I thought would match. These papers would go nicely in there. Lots of pinks and dark pinks. Oh, that's very red, that one, but I see this one would go with the black and the burgundy. This one I'm not sure about. It does go with some of the paler pinks they've got on the front cover there. But I'm just going to leave it there for a moment and see how I feel about it when it goes in. And there's that page. So it looks more purple again in this light. But I reckon that one matches the first one I showed you, that one. I think that's why I put it in there. So I've got a lot. Some of these are all from other people. See, that would go. That goes. Anyway, so that's what I'm going to be doing next, matching up some of these covers that I've made previously, and making them into journals. So that's the plan, and hopefully I might have to see what other things I can find for covers if I don't have enough of this to use for both of that and that. But if I don't use them up, these will just get a bit worn around the edges, so may as well use them up and make journals and then see how we go. So thank you very much for joining me tonight, in the evening, whatever, it's night time, and please take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, see ya.